A lot of people don't like camping in winter because it's too cold. I think in Africa you don't really have an excuse. You can get out there and still have a great time. Welcome to Get Out Go. I'm Christoph. Join me as I go winter camping in the Waterberg. We're taking a 3-hour drive to the Waterberg in Limpopo, South Africa. Even though it's winter, my wife and I are taking a few days off, a much needed break. The Waterberg is one of our favourite destinations, great scenery and wildlife. We have an off-grid, unfenced camp, just the way we like it. The Waterberg is a nice temperate area to go to in winter. Average 20 degrees Celsius in the day and above freezing at night. The nice weather in the day is great for activities such as hiking or mountain biking. For most of this trip, I'm hanging up the car keys. Guys, this is a holiday after all. It's great just to lounge about as well. Had a good couple of days so far, just taking it easy. It's chilly at night, but it's actually quite pleasant during the day. We've been hiking, saw a lot of giraffe and eland, so yeah, good times. Being on foot takes game viewing to a whole new level. The Waterberg biosphere has some prime game viewing opportunities, and in winter animals congregate around waterholes, so great opportunity to spot them. Slightly a bit more nippy tonight, but nothing some warm clothing and a nice fire can't solve. Check. Always nice to sleep in a bit in winter too. In winter, you definitely don't want to sleep cold, so we usually use a rated sleeping bag, some duvets, and then we've got a little buddy heater that's propane powered. Now, this is great for heating up a trailer or a tent, but you can't run it all night, obviously, because it's a fire hazard, and then you still have to leave some ventilation while you're using it as well. Sunny days and mild temperatures are great for spending time outdoors.
This road, it takes me home where skies are blue. I walk this road because I know it leads to you. No matter when, no matter why, I have a place to go.
Tonight we're having a traditional meal called pap and wors. I'll leave a link in the description below. Getting away from the traditional braai, which is barbecue for my international viewers, which we do almost every night. The first half of the dish is a type of porridge made from maize meal. This is usually accompanied by a nice tomato and onion relish. You'll note the lid came off first time, unlike some people the previous time. The other half is a spicy sausage called boerewors. A nice filling hot meal in winter. Albeit my presentation needs some work. No winter evening is complete without some hot cocoa either. Winter camping comes with its own charm. Although it's cold outside, it still warms the heart. It's time to reluctantly pack up and head back to civilization. For now. Had a good couple of days. Even though it's winter, I still think you can have a really good time camping. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, get out there.